Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, you're welcome. So today we want to teach on how to cut this beautiful skirt here. As you can see now, the mannequin, it appears so fine. So this is what is called handkerchief skirt. So right here I have 6 yards of fabrics with me, but I use 3.5 yards. So as you can see, I these fabrics, as we are seeing here, if you are using 3 yards, it depends on your length you want to work with, right? So I joined to the width because it's not going to be enough, because the length of Ankara is 45, you get. So I needed to cut from the remaining uh 3 yards remaining and join it to the width of the fabrics. Note, when you cut out the length you need, like me, I cut out 10 inches from the remaining, I joined it to the width of the fabric. Note, you have to join it to the width of the fabric to make it maybe like 60 or 50 plus. It depends on you. So right now I've already joined it to the, as you can see now, I've already cut out the one I need to join together with it. So you join it to the width of the fabric, the longest part. That is where you join it to. So as you can see, I've already joined it to the fabric. I've already joined it here, as you can see now, so that it will be enough for my measurement. So I folded it into 4. All right. After joining, fold your fabrics into 4, like you see me do. So this kind of skirts, I'm not going to use zipper. I'm going to use elastic. So I'm working with the hip measurement. Okay, so the hip I'm working with is 42. So I divided the hip by 4. So 42 divided by 4 gives me 10.5. Yes, 10.5. So you can see me, I'm trying to get it right here, and it's exactly 10.5. Note, if you are going to put zipper, please, you will work with your waist measurement. But if you are not going, if it's only ordinary elastic you are going to put, you work with your hip measurement. Okay, so as you see me do now, I've already located where my waist is going to be. So from there, you're now going to measure your length. So as you can see me, I'm going to put 2 inches band. So this 2 inches band, you are going to, from there you leave your 2 inches band up, then you are going to mark your length. So here the length I'm working with is 21.5, though it is 20, but the MA allowance I added 1.5. All right. So at the other side again too, you are going to measure the same exactly like the way you measure at the other side, your length, the length of your skirt. Don't forget to leave your 2 inches allowance for your elastic band. You can use 1 inch, but me I decided to use 2 inches. So that is it. So right now you are going to join your lines together. Okay, join your lines together. So that is actually basic handkerchief skirts. So if you are still watching this and you know you are really learning from this tutorial, please hit the subscribe bell, like and share, so that it can reach others. It can, it can reach a lot of people, and you will help me grow this channel. So right now you cut it out, then you cut the other angles too out. All right, so don't forget that this skirt I will still put another one on it, but it will be short. So this is the bigger one here that I'm cutting. So you're going to cut it out like I do. All right, so you're going to cut it out, and don't forget to leave a comment. You are going to tell me the kind of fabric you're going to use. Some people use check material, some people use Ankara, and I think if you are using you can use the material. If you are using material that is a 60 in length, no need of adding to it. But because this one is Ankara, is 45 by length, that's why I added to it. So right now I've already cut it out. As you can see, So right now I'm about to cut the smaller part. So at the edge here, don't forget you are going to open it up. You're going to open it up by the side. Open one side. You're going to, so that it will be easy for you to join with the second with the one we are going to put on it. So that is it. So right now we are going to work on the second part, which is the second layer we're going to put on it. And it's basically the way you cut this one. That is how exactly you are going to cut the second. I'm going to got the second one. So you can see me, I've already folded the second one. So you are going to place the bigger one on the fabric you have folded. You are going to fold that one too into 4. All right, so you now arrange it very well. You don't need to measure your waist out again because you've already cut the bigger part. So what you are going to do basically is you are just going to place the bigger one on the fabric so that your waist measurement will be accurate, and cut it out like this, just like you see me do here. So you're going to cut it out like this as I'm doing. So as you can see, right now I'm going to now work on the length of the upper one. So right now the length I want to work with is 9 inches. So I added 1 to it, making 10. So don't forget that you are going to measure it exactly the way you did the first one. Don't forget. All right, so I marked my 10 inches. Then at this other part also, I mark my 10 inches. Then I connect it together, just like a square shape. So I don't want you to rush this video, especially as a new beginner. Pay attention to details. Cutting and sewing is not about rush. You have to pay attention to details. So as you can see right now, you join all your lines together. At that angle, I just cuff it out like that. I don't want it to be sharp. If you can see that angle that I just cuff, you can leave your own like that. Is your choice. So right now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and join it together with the bigger skirt. All right, don't forget to open it up at one side, and you are going to place it directly on the good side. Wrong side facing wrong side. That's how you are going to sew it on it. All right, as you can see, I've already done it. Join all the sides together, place the small one on it, as you can see. So now right now I'm now going to measure our waist round so that we can cut out our band. So right now you place, trying to measure my waist. So initially I said my waist is 40, my waist is 41.5. okay, so my waist is 41.5. Then you're now going to cut our band and join together with it. So this band is 5 inches long. Okay, so after cutting it, you are going to fold into 2 like this. So at this edge, so you are going to come down by 1, then another 1 inch, then the upper 1 inch you are going to sew it, then leave this 1 inch because we are going to pass rope through it. Then the remaining part we're going to sew it down. So as you can see here, you can see the space that you are going to pass through you see now you're going to pass through your rope. All right, so right now what we're going to do next is to attach the band to the skirt. Okay, so right now you're going to pick up your skirt, then we are going to place it on the front, the center front. You locate your center front. How to locate your center front? Measure your front panel, then locate the middle. That's how to do it. Locate the middle, then so how to locate your middle is just your front panel divided by 2. That's how to get your point. So right now you're going to attach your band at the center front, your center front. So as you can see, I've already attached my band around it, though I've not put the elastic up, but I've attached it around it. So right now I left small space. Yes, I left small space where you are going to pass through your elastic band. So this one I'm working with here is 2 inches and it's very tight. This band is tight. So my weight, the waist I'm working with is 33. So I reduced 3 inches from it. If you reduce more than 3, it will be too tight. So this is my band now, trying to fix it through the space that I left. Don't forget you have to leave space on the band so that you can pass through your elastic. All right, so this is me passing the elastic through the channel. All right, so this is it after I've passed through the elastic. So you are going to the 2 edges like this and match it on the machine so that it will hold together. All right, so that's basically the next thing to do right now. Is I've already fixed the band, as you can see. So what I want to so I'm going to match machine on the waistband twice. So on the waistband you are going to leave an inch up, you match on it, then an inch down, you match on it round. And if you are matching it, you draw your elastic band very well, so that the fabric will not just push to one side. So you can see it came out beautifully. Right now I'm going to pass through my rope through that channel. So my rope is my waist measurement times 2. 33 times 2 is equal to 62. So it depends on your own waist measurement. So right now I'm going to pass through the my rope through the small space, the small channel we left in the front panel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know the kind of fabrics you will be using to do this, to practice this. Okay, so right now I'm done with passing my rope. As you can see, it came out so beautiful, as you can see, and it's good on the mannequin. Oh, thanks for watching. Bye.